I'm so out of this. I don't know what to say. Hey my beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Formosa Fantasy, and today I'm bringing you a spring colorful spring makeup look. Yeah, I just felt like doing makeup, and why not? Spring is coming up, so if you want to see how I achieve this look, keep on watching. Disclaimer, do your eyes before you do your face. I'm filming back to back, so that's why my face is already done. But yeah, I'm using the P. Louise Basing Rumor number 2, and I'm basing my eyelids with this, and I'm just blending it out. So this is the palette I'll be using today, the Spectrum palette, and I'm going to be taking that blue color right there, and I'm going to be putting this in my inner corner with a blending brush. No specific way I'm gonna be doing this. I'm just gonna be blending it out as I go along. So I just apply it to the lid and then blend upwards towards the brow bone area, because we're not going to be cutting out crease or nothing like that. So yeah, now I'm taking that green shade. I'm going to my outer corner of my eyes with this with the same brush. I just wiped it off and I applied it. So I'm just, blending, applying and blending. Now, I did something wrong, but that's okay. I took the yellow and put it in the middle. What you should do, because I did it to the other eye, apply the yellow first, and then you go on the outer corners with that, alright? With the blue and the green. It worked better that way for me. So I'm taking a teal green right there, and I'm putting that on the outer part of my lid. I don't know, I just wanted that color, and I realized it was like super pigmented, so I took my time and blended in. And we gotta go back in with each color, so that's what I'm doing right here, going back in with each color, making sure it's to the intensity that I want it to be. All right, so yeah. So after that, it is time for the graphic liner. So I'm using my tag face paint, and I'm taking the orange. It's just water activated. I'm just creating some lines. I don't know. I just felt like creating some lines. I was trying to get inspired by some other artists, but I don't know. I just felt like doing some lines. So that's exactly what I'm doing. So I did like a open wing, I did like a floating wing, and then I did some stuff. So I was just winging this. I didn't know what I was doing. As usual, I never know what I'm doing. So I'm just creating lines. So yeah, watch me create lines. The brush I'm using is just a small detailing brush. So going in with my P. Louise base again, just the excess that was left, and I'm putting that on my waterline. Alright, now underneath my waterline is my lash line, so I'm going with the green, the purple, and the pink, just to finish whatever that's left. Use the other colors that was left in the palette. I'm gonna show you that in a minute. Alright, so that is the completed look. What do you guys think? I think it turned out great. I forgot it's Easter as well, so this look could go for like an Easter look as well. You can put little eggs instead of rhinestones, because it'll look good out of rhinestones. So don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Follow me on all my socials, and I'll try to put out more content for you. And until next time, mwah, bye my beauties.